Now that you've accessed the motion blur settings, it's time to adjust them for optimal performance. The key is finding the right balance between blur reduction and avoiding unwanted artifacts. The most important setting is overdrive, which controls how aggressively pixels change colors. Set this to medium or high for best results, but avoid extreme as it can cause inverse ghosting. Enable gaming mode if your Sceptre monitor has this option. Gaming mode automatically optimizes multiple settings, including input lag, response time, and motion processing for the best gaming experience. Here's what the actual Sceptre monitor menu looks like. Navigate to picture settings, where you'll find options like sharpness, which can affect motion clarity. Motion blur reduction works by controlling the backlight between frame changes. This technology significantly improves motion clarity, especially at higher refresh rates. Different Sceptre monitor series have varying menu structures. E-series models typically have motion settings under advanced settings, while C-series curved monitors place them in the gaming menu. For optimal results, test your settings with fast-moving content. Start with medium overdrive, enable gaming mode, and adjust based on your specific use case. Monitor the results to ensure you're not introducing unwanted artifacts. When properly configured, you should notice significantly clearer motion in games and videos. Moving objects will appear sharper with less trailing, giving you a competitive advantage in fast-paced gaming scenarios.